frequently asked questions about hybrid learning. So, what is hybrid learning? A hybrid approach to course delivery combines face-to-face classroom instruction with online activities. This approach reduces seat time in a traditional face-to-face course and moves more of the course delivery online. During classroom instruction time, students can be engaged in authentic, collaborative learning experiences. The online components can include multimedia-enhanced content and channels for ongoing discussion. Our learning management platform's best practices and resources will primarily focus on hybrid courses that utilize classroom sessions with or without a video conferencing component. What are intensive weekends? Intensive weekends create new bonds and relationships for learning and assist in computer utilization for online learning. Here the learner is introduced to the theory and practice of massage therapy and Hellerwork structural integration programs. UCHA's goal is to reflect the Danish folk school spirit. Students are immersed in a learning, living environment that enables them to quickly get to know each other while eating, working, and spending time together. How will I communicate with my instructor and classmates? There are a variety of ways to communicate in an online course. Some of the communications methods utilized by our faculty include email, discussion, and chat. The instructor may correspond individually with a student via email to comment on student work and answer questions. Email may be sent to the entire class to post instructions for completing assignments, or the instructor may post a question or comment for student response within the online classroom. Students may email the entire class, their instructor, individual students in the course, or communicate directly in the online classroom. The online forum provides a place for faculty to take up questions for student discussion. In online learning, this is frequently called asynchronous, or not at the same time, communication. One message follows the other in chronological order, and individuals can respond to other students' original posting and comments. This is called a threaded discussion. Online chat provides an opportunity for faculty and students to communicate with one another in asynchronous discussions. Faculty may schedule formal chats with their students to cover specific content and solicit guests' participation, including experts in their field. How do I turn in my assignments? Most assignments are submitted within the classroom through a discussion board area online. How will I be tested? UCHA relies on assessments to check in with the student's progress. These are mostly delivered through an online instructional program. Some final exams are either taken on-site or through an approved proctor. Will I be able to learn online as I would on-site? For over 2 decades, UCHA has offered a blended program in massage therapy. Its first blended class began in January of 2003. The college has had time to compare it with its 100% residential or on-site program in 1995. The college can show high pass rates on the licensing exam since 2004. For example, some UCHA graduating classes have had a 100% pass rate. National averages can be as low as 50%. The interactive format is used online to allow for collaboration. Students become the authority of their knowledge. This is not a format where one sits in a classroom and listens to a teacher talk for hours, and you take notes. Usually, the teacher learns in that setting because they had to get ready for the lecture. Online learning allows for active participation by each member of the learning community. We are sure that this may not answer all your questions about hybrid learning. So if you need to know more, feel free to contact us. We are always happy to answer and invite your questions.